Welcome. If you're looking to allow pinned messages in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Pinning messages is a great way to highlight important announcements, rules, or updates for everyone in your group to see. Here's a step-by-step guide to enable this feature for your group members. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. You can do this by heading to the Telegram Web address in your browser and logging in with your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so make sure you have the necessary rights. With the group chat open, look at the top of the screen and click on the group's name. This will take you to the group's information page. Here, you'll see details about your group, including members and settings. Find the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil or a small gear, and click on it to enter the group's editing menu. Inside the editing menu, you'll see several options. Click on Permissions. This section controls what group members can and cannot do. Scroll through the list of permissions until you find the option labeled Pin Messages. If this is currently disabled, simply click the toggle to enable it. This will allow group members to pin messages in the chat, making it easier to keep important information visible for everyone. Once you've enabled pin messages, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. You can then return to your group chat, and your members will now have the ability to pin messages as needed. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your group more organized and collaborative. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of Telegram's latest features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with these new tools.